So for many organizations, values live on a wall in the office or on a website. And here at Resultant, we treat those values a little bit differently.
So I meet with every employee 90 days in, and one of the questions I ask them is, what's the most surprising thing about Resultant? And I would say at least half the people say that your mission and your values are real. We have 4 core values at Resultant. They are empathy, fearless problem solving, deep expertise, and client focus. Empathy is really important because what it means is everything we do starts and ends with people. And so we have to approach every problem with empathy. Our clients trust us to tackle their toughest problems. And so when you approach those problems, you have to be fearless because the path might not be clear, but you also have to guarantee that you're going to get to a better outcome for the client because they've placed trust in us. Deep expertise is the idea that we don't just have skills, we have crafts. We are craftsmen and we're passionate about what we do, and it's that intersection of passion and purpose which makes us great consultants. With client focus comes this idea that we want to get the client from where they are today to this amazing place where they're thriving. And so we have to focus on that outcome constantly. It is about really thinking deeply about the people who you hope to serve and how to get them to a better place.
When I show up to a client site, the way that I care about their problems, how deeply I can add value, how quickly I can do so, is all about, do I build meaningful relationships that are genuine and authentic? I'm not here to try and solve a problem really quickly. This isn't about me. When we think about empathy, it orients the first meetings we have with clients. There doesn't need to be an ego in the room. We're actually there to listen and discover and understand how well does a client understand their own problem and where do we fit in with them.
We are tasked with solving our clients' toughest problems, and the answers to those problems aren't always obvious, and the solutions aren't always an easy path to take. Often we're kind of blazing a path into new things. We're inventing things that maybe have never been invented before, and you have to be curious.
And so I think it's the balance between technical expertise and empathy that really gets us to the best solution.
People are always the focus in everything we do, every project, every solution, but it's not just our immediate clients, it's our clients and the network of stakeholders that work within their organization, or our clients' clients, or the people that our clients are serving out in the community. Understanding that ecosystem of individuals and their needs, their wants, and the way that they are going to perceive a problem or a solution is critically important to designing an approach that really meets the needs of all those diverse stakeholder groups.
When we partner with a purpose, we are able to work through opportunity together and yield outcomes where we're all still aligned when we get to those outcomes, meaning our clients are more capable to maintain that solution. They're beside us in solutioning it. There's actually some knowledge transfer where they've done the work with us. And in a lot of ways, that kind of partnership yields really meaningful outcomes.
So at Resultant, we want to be a force for good in the world. And so through the consulting work that we do, we're able to make this really big impact.
What I'm really proud of is the fact that we get to build the kind of company we want to build. And so we're going to build something that matters, something that we're proud of. And that means creating an amazing client experience, working with our clients rather than for our clients, and building an amazing employee experience, allowing employees to do some of the most meaningful work of their entire careers right here at Resultant. That is a company worth building, and that's what we're trying to do.